Venus is named after the Roman goddess of beauty and love. Despite being the second closest planet to the Sun, Venus is the hottest of all, with temperatures surpassing even those of Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. An image recorded by the Venera 13 probe shows a glimpse of Venus's scorching surface. The planet is a true hell, with sulfuric acid rains and temperatures that can reach nearly 500 degrees Celsius during the day. Despite being a hostile planet, Venus is surprisingly similar to Earth in size, mass, density, and composition. Both planets formed practically at the same time and from the same ingredients, as they were in the same region of the nebula that gave birth to the solar system. Venus is considered Earth's sister planet, but something happened over time for it to become a hellish environment, while Earth remained habitable. About 4 billion years ago, the solar system was a nebula of gas and dust. Something destabilized this cloud and caused regions of it to collapse under their own gravity, forming the Sun and other celestial bodies. Venus and Earth, being close to the Sun, likely formed when a core formed for the first time from the collapse of the gas and dust cloud, capturing material through gravitational interaction. During the early years of the solar system, the inner part was chaotic, with collisions between asteroids, planetoids, and other celestial bodies. These impacts shaped the planets, with Earth being hit by a celestial object, forming the Moon and stabilizing its rotation. Venus may have suffered a collision that reversed its axis of rotation, resulting in a day longer than its year. So, while Earth flourished with its seasons and varied climate, Venus remained static in its desolation. Its similarities to Earth in formation only accentuate the mystery of how two sister planets can follow such distinct paths. Venus's journey from paradise to perdition reveals the whims of the cosmos and reminds us of the fragility and beauty of our earthly home. The absence of stabilizing moons and the proximity to the Sun contributed to Venus's cruel fate. Receiving 40% more sunlight than Earth, any water that existed evaporated quickly. While Earth comfortably sits within the habitable zone, Venus is on the outer edge. However, there are indications that Venus had oceans billions of years ago. Despite cosmic setbacks, Venus continues to intrigue scientists. Signs of water vapor and deuterium in the atmosphere suggest that the planet could have supported life at one time. It's as if Venus was trying, despite all cosmic difficulties. But as the saying goes, when it rains, it pours. Venus, the planet that turned into a true inferno, has several factors that contributed to its transformation into an inhospitable and hostile environment. One of the main reasons is the lack of tectonic plates, a vital component for regulating the climate and environmental conditions on planets like Earth. While here on Earth, tectonic plates play a crucial role in cycles such as water and carbon, regulating temperature and maintaining conditions conducive to life, Venus lacks this system. This absence of tectonic plates allowed all the carbon dioxide to concentrate in the Venusian atmosphere, creating an uncontrolled greenhouse effect that drastically raised the planet's surface temperatures. Additionally, Venus's intense volcanic activity ejected massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, further exacerbating the scenario of extreme heat. In fact, temperatures on Venus are so high that they are capable of melting lead on the planet's surface. But what truly turned Venus into a hellish environment? There isn't a single definitive cause, but the lack of tectonic plates is considered one of the main culprits. Recently, studies suggest that Venus may have had tectonic plates in the distant past, making it potentially habitable. This revelation raises fascinating questions about the habitability of planets and prompts us to rethink our search for life in the universe. After all, are we interpreting the signs of habitability on other planets correctly? These findings also leave us with intriguing questions about the future of Earth and whether we can avoid a fate similar to that of Venus. As we explore these questions, we are faced with a profound reflection on our place in the cosmos and the fragility of life in a solar system full of mysteries and surprises. And talking about life in the solar system, have you ever thought about how life may be transported in space? I made a video talking about it if you are interested. And if you are curious to see more of any of the subjects from these videos, leave it here in the comments and take the opportunity to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.